welcome back to another video. Today, we're with the puppies again. And my puppy was just napping. Like, Keely's just finished napping. And we decided to keep the name Little Pebbles. Okay, what about your pups? Aww. Sit. Good boy. Baby Owlet. I'm like, sorry. Sorry, I have a cough. Say good morning, Owlet. Good morning. Also, can I pet the puppy? Yeah. Just be careful. Don't. Make sure he doesn't bite. Puppy.
Toma. Oh no.
What is my puppy doing? I think he just wants some belly rubs. There's his belly rubs. Now I think he wants to get back in his cage. Mateo's puppy was falling. But to get back in the cage. My puppy's going back in the cage. And we'll go to the...
No. Así no. No sea así, ¿ok? No.
The pet shop.
That's not nice.
Yeah, the pet shop. We also have to get some more accessories. Oh, my puppy got it. Maybe he just wants to be in there, so I'm going. Wait. Whoopsies, Mateo, can you go there? Thank you. Alright. We're just gonna have to leave the puppy like that, okay? Okay. There you go. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. Mateo, can you go get Sky? He's in, Grandma's. Hello, guys. Welcome to another video. Today, we will show my baby Sky, too. And we will also film a video on going